Wearing your hair for the first time in public. Obviously, these thoughts kind of scare you. They are quite scary. आपको लगेगा कि first time अगर पहनने के बाद somebody is going to ask you that what have you done? What if somebody comes to know? What if they say that I can see your hairline or the density is too heavy? Why are you wearing a wig? A lot of thoughts. So we understand this emotional roller coaster, and what we've done is we've just shared a few tips and suggestions so that you can smoothly transition into wearing your hair. So some tips how to make a smooth transition. So let's begin with the first point. First point I would say is be honest. So if possible, you should be honest with the people who are very close to you. Like we've had cases where sometimes the husband is hiding from the wife. So that's kind of weird. So we always suggest that if possible, share it with your family so that you get a little comfortable on an everyday basis. People who are close to you, you probably can be a bit honest. Now this is something that I'm talking about people who are very close to you. So when you're honest, maybe initially you'll find that little discomfort, but then you're kind of comfortable for the rest of your life. So this is something that you're going to meet these people every single day. So it's better to accept it and be honest. In the initial stage, you obviously going to experience some anxiety, some stress that how do I say this? But I think you must share it with your very, very close ones so that you get a little comfortable for the rest of your life. Create distraction. So what I mean by creating distraction is when you know that you're going to wear a hair system, start changing the look. Maybe you can change the hair color a bit, or the easiest thing to do is start growing your beard. What happens is when you don't have hair and then suddenly you have hair, it's kind of too dramatic. What we suggest is the safest thing to do is grow your beard so that when somebody is seeing you after a few days, there is a distraction that is created. So they would feel that, okay, you know what, he's looking different, but the attention will not be your hair, it will be the overall appearance, and they may feel that maybe he's grown the beard and here his face is looking a little different. So I think growing beard is an excellent option to create a distraction. Another way to create a distraction is basically you can change the hairstyle, not completely dramatic, but maybe you can go a little shorter. So maybe when people see you, they can say, okay, you know what, maybe he's done a different hairstyle or he's cut his hair short. So try basically growing your hair longer before the hair system, and when you're about to wear the hair system, so then you can choose a shorter hairstyle, which means that let's say you've had longer hair and now you've cut it shorter. So there is some form of distraction that is created. So somebody who's seeing you, they would probably see, okay, you know what, he just had a haircut, that's why he's looking different. Add humor. So what we mean by adding humor is obviously when they're going to ask you some questions, जब आपको वो questions पूछेंगे, what have you done, क्या किया hair को अच्छा लग रहा है, or they'll try to remove things out of you. You have to very tactfully, what you got to do is you just kind of add humor. अरे अभी तू देखते जा क्या क्या हो रहा है, अभी तो मेरे weight जाने वाला है, I'm going to lose weight, and basically now I'm going to look 10 years younger, and just kind of casually walk out. Don't get into the conversation. Wearing hair fibers. So another suggestion that we have is, let's say you're going to fix it on 1st Jan, and what we suggest is that maybe the month of December or probably 15 days before, you start wearing fiber on a regular basis. Fiber as in hair topic and these hair fibers that you get. So with this, basically the visibility of scalp will reduce, and when you wear the hair system, suddenly it will not be as if you're wearing something, because for the past 15-20 days you've been covering your scalp with hair topic. So what we suggest is 15-20 days before you start wearing your hair system, you should start wearing hair fiber to cover the scalp. It works brilliantly, and then when you transition and wear the hair system, the transition is pretty smooth. Timing it right. Now what I mean by timing is obviously you got to plan these things. For example, if you had less hair or scanty hair on Monday and suddenly on Tuesday you're going to come with a head full of hair, obviously it's going to look fake. So what ideally you need to do is plan it during the weekend, or that these are 2-3 days that I'm going to be at home. So what you can do is maybe on a Friday you have longer hair and then you get the hair system on a Saturday, or maybe during the weekend when you are not going to meet the same people the next day, so you have a gap of 2-3 days and then you cut it short. What happens is when somebody is seeing you the next day, there is not a dramatic change. So it always better to have that 2-3 days gap when somebody is seeing you. Also, if you have a wedding coming up, if you have an event coming up, please do not do it just 2-3 days before. It's not a good idea. Plan things. For example, if you plan your wedding or any of your event is on 1st Jan, at least get it done 15-20 days before, or maybe a month before, so that you kind of get used to the styling part. If there are challenges, you can overcome these challenges. You can call us for customer support, but don't keep it for the last minute. If your wedding or the event is on the 1st and then you're going to fix it on the 30th or 31st, it's definitely not a good idea. God forbid if there's a problem or you're not feeling confident, it will show on your face. So obviously we feel that it takes around 15 to 30 days for you to get comfortable with the hair system. So it's always better to do it at least 15 to 20 days before, if possible even more, so that you feel confident, you feel comfortable with it, and then it's not showing on your face. Otherwise you'll always keep being conscious about your hair. Usually after 15 to 30 days you kind of get comfortable and doesn't play on your mind. Hence we suggest that please plan in advance. Go for a lighter density hair system. Now what we always suggest is that please do not go for these dramatic hairstyles and suddenly you'll see online there's a lot of hair and you've got a complete makeover. It's really not the right thing to do. It's always sensible to go slow. For example, if your density is 80, you gradually go to 100 and not 200. Don't try to get these dramatic hairstyles. You'll get very tempted seeing these pictures of some celebrities. Please understand that they constantly have somebody to style it, and they also transition it very gradually. When these guys do it, you obviously don't come to know. Similarly, it's always better now if you're working or have a regular life, what you need to do is go for that gradual transition. If your density is 80, maybe you can cover a smaller area. You need not get the hair system right from the forehead. You can probably cover a smaller area at the back, and maybe in your next system after 3-4 months you can take it a little forward. Go slow. Imagine if your hair was growing, it will not suddenly grow from the front hairline, right? So it's always better to cover the area at the back. Somebody is seeing you from the front, the hairline is still exposed and it's really okay. This is not end of life. This is not your last system. This is just your first system. This is just the beginning. So maybe in the phase 2, when you will probably plan your second system, you can have covered a larger area. But don't dramatically or drastically change your look in your first go. So go slow with the density. Maybe your next system you can increase the density, because by then people will get used to it. You will also get used to it. Another suggestion, that don't keep playing with your hair. So you'll obviously have the tendency of touching your hair, styling your hair. Please do not do these things. Once you fix your hair system, just be confident and don't play around much with your hair. How to respond to questions? Now obviously when you start wearing the hair system for the first few days or maybe first few weeks, people are going to ask you, because they're going to probably notice some change. They may not be very sure that agar aapne hair system pehna hai nahi. They can figure out there's something that he's done to his hair. Now what is it? Now you're going to handle these questions tactfully. What you should do is don't get into a conversation honestly. They'll try to get into a conversation. Have you done something to your hair? तुमने कुछ किया है क्या? अच्छा लग रहा है. Now you very smartly have to move away from the conversation. Just keep it very casual. That yeah, I'm doing some treatment now. Wait and watch, and just get to another question. Hey, how are things with you? And do not get into a conversation, because one question is going to lead to another one, and you'll get into a fix if they start asking you more questions about your hair, and they will say, oh, can I touch it? Can I feel it? Can I just get very close? Do not get into these conversations. So just kind of question him back, or say, okay, you know what, one sec, I'm just going to come in a bit and just walk out. Don't get into a conversation. That's what we suggest. Well, I think I've shared my tips and suggestions regarding how you can transition into wearing hair, but I still suggest, end of the day, don't forget, aap bhooliye mat, you are paying for the hair system, you are going to feel good, you are going to feel confident. So who are these guys you care about? It's okay, I just feel that these guys are going to probably talk for a week or two and they're going to forget about it, and probably you will also forget about it, in a couple of weeks that you're wearing a hair system. So I really feel that if somebody gets to know, it's okay. It's end of the day. It's making you feel confident. If you're feeling good about yourself, I think it's totally worth it. And I think it's high time not to worry about what people are saying. Yes, I understand that it's very difficult to say that, okay, I'm wearing a hair system or something. You can handle this situation tactfully, but end of the day, remember, boss, you are doing these things for yourself. They are not paying for your hair system, and you are going to suffer with low confidence. So make sure that if you're taking a decision, stick by it and do not care about people. Who are these guys who you really care? Are they going to pay your bills? Are they going to help you in a difficult situation? No. So these are people who we unnecessarily get scared of. So it's okay. I understand we are part of the society, but I think you should just overcome these fears and accept it. Please understand you are doing these things for yourself. You have to understand that it's going to make you feel a lot more confident, and stop caring about people. They do not hold value in your lives. Well, I think I've covered most of the points. If you still have any questions, you can WhatsApp on 9 222-666-111, or you can just send us your pictures. You can send us the consultation form, and we would be happy to help you. And please subscribe to American Hairline. Thank you.